Today I am using these stainless steel pans to make breakfast. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the package, you are going to have 5 pans of varying sizes, a steamer basket, 5 glass lids, and 5 handles. So this does require a little assembly. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to put the handles on. They do not include one for you. Each handle has 3 pieces: the top beauty cap, the screw, and the handle itself. Push the screw from the bottom through the lid and the beauty cap, and then screw on the handle. As with anything you're going to use for food prep, please wash these before use. For breakfast this morning, I'm going to be using 2 pans, one to boil the eggs and one to steam the tortilla. I love using stainless steel for anything non-sticky. So, for example, boiling pasta, boiling eggs, steaming, making sauces, things like that. Soups, anything like that. I prefer to stay away from stainless for sticky things like bacon, scrambled eggs, stuff like that. Now, I know that there are ways and tricks that you can use stainless that makes it non-stick, but I have yet to master that technique. So me personally, I shy away from anything sticky when I'm using stainless steel. In my opinion, these pans are a great starter set for someone that's getting their first apartment or just bought their first home. They're great for travel. So if you have a camper or an RV, I would definitely bring these with us. These pans do have a thicker bottom than the sides, so they heat up very quickly, but they also retain the heat at the bottom. They're just not quite as thick as some of the stainless steel pans that I have seen. Because of that extra weight on the bottom, these would work not only on electric, but also on gas. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to go enjoy my breakfast burrito.